So you click on this video because you're trying to be healthy. Well, that's kind of a difficult route, but I have two simple recipes to make that easier for you. I have the zucchini pesto and the aglio olio zucchini. So, what are we waiting for? Let's do this. What are you?
We also need zucchini. I love zucchini.
What's up, JFC fam? It's your favorite host, Rene, and today we're gonna be making zucchini pasta, and for that you will need a sterilizer. But if you're not cool like me and you don't have a sterilizer, a vegetable peeler will do the job. It will just, more work. But let's just get started. You can start by cutting the two ends of your zucchini and placing them into that sterilizer if you have one. And you want to make sure you place the zucchini right into that metal hole and continue spinning that knob so you can get a nice motion, a nice Zoodles, what they like to call it. That's what the cool people call it. And for the second method, if you don't have the sterilizer, you can just use a vegetable peeler. It will do the same trick. No, I lied. It won't do the same trick, but it will come close to doing the trick. So here, as you can see, I just cut the two ends again with the zucchini, and you want to start from the back and going forward, just peeling the skin and just keep peeling it until you get about 20 or so, and then you can cut it into straight vertical line. And from here you can decide whether you want it thin or thick, and for me I decided to have it different from the Zoodles, so I decided to have it thick but with only two C's. And that's what they look like with the vegetable peeler. And after that, you can start with the first sauce, which is the aglio olio. Very simple sauce, not difficult at all. And you want to start by peeling your garlic, and you don't really want to go with the traditional method of smashing the garlic. You just want to cut the ends and start peeling it like that. And right here you just want to cut it into a uniform thin slices for all of the 5 cloves. And now into the parsley. You want to make sure you wash the parsley first, very important. And you want to make sure before start cutting it, you want to remove any big stem from the parsley, because those parts are very bitter and you won't like the taste of those. And right here I just finely minced them before putting them aside so we can start cooking. And right here I brought back our most important appliance, Vincent. Oh no, that's too much olive oil. Do not put that much olive oil. I made a mistake and put too much. I didn't expect to have that much, but don't worry, I'll put the exact measurement in the description below. Okay, back to cooking. You just want to place all that garlic that we cut up earlier into the olive oil, and you just want to have them sitting there for about 15 seconds or so before adding in half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. And this time it's not optional, you actually have to put this, it's part of the recipe. And you just want to make sure you mix them for 15 seconds before turning off your stove and adding in your zucchini pasta we made earlier with the vegetable peeler. And I should have made more of these, but it was quite difficult. That's why I only had little, and I put too much oil. Totally messed up the entire recipe, but I'll put the exact measurement again in the description below. And after that, you just want to add the parsley, and from there you want to mix them up together, and the parsley will give it a nice fresh taste, even though it's vegetable already. And after that, you can decide whether you want to add lime, lemon. It will add a really nice acidic flavor into that dish. And now is for the second sauce. You want to start by smashing 4 cloves of garlic, and yeah, don't smash them too hard because they tend to fall off, and just try to throw it away, use it, I don't know. And now for the avocado, really basic 101 right here, guys. I've been doing this really easy, so you just wanna slice right down the middle, twist it, and that should open up the avocado. And afterwards you just wanna put your knife and basically just try to attack the middle brain of the avocado and pick it up. Real easy, real simple. And now it's time for blending them all together. So you just want to get a blender, a food processor, whatever you guys have, and place all our ingredients in there: the avocado, the 4 cloves of garlic, the basil, and a little bit of lime or lemon if you guys have lemon. And now you're just gonna blend them all together, adding in a little bit of olive oil to give it a nice flavor while making it easier to blend all together. And after that, you're basically done with the sauce. You just need to find a nice bowl to put your Zoodles. You can have it raw or cook, but I preferred having it raw because it gives it a nice texture. And you just want to add all that green sauce that we made earlier and mix them all up together. And I also added a little bit of pistachio to make it the most wonderful tasting Zoodles you will ever have. And that's basically my 2 simple recipe for zucchini pasta. I hope you guys liked this week episode, and until next week, peace.
Don't look at me like that.
Why so much hate? It's so good. I like it. I like avocado.
All that fat from the avocado. Ooh, so yummy.
But it's good fat, so totally healthy. It doesn't even have carbs. It has the least carbs there is. Okay. So we're gonna try the aglio olio now. First of all, I made this dish with an actual pasta. And how was that? With the actual pasta?
The actual pasta one is really easy and super tasty. Now let's see how it compares to this. I like this one so much better.
No, Omar?
The other version's made with like actual noodles. I'm not too much of a fan of this.
I might have to agree with you with that. I like this so much better. This
This
one's
one's a lot better.
It's pretty good. You can taste the garlic, the olive oil. It tastes really fresh, but I'll totally recommend making this one better.
This one is what you get when you go to Olive Garden and order only a salad. This is Olive Garden salad. You want Olive Garden salad?
It's way better than
Olive Garden salad.
It's way better than Olive Garden. I've been there before.
So you're trashing restaurants now?
Yeah, we're doing reviews. Hey, if you guys want us to do reviews on Olive Gardens, make sure this video gets on
100,000 likes.
Okay.
I want 100,000 likes now. Get us to 1,000 subscribers.